Hello everyone, welcome back to Everything Day. Today we're going to be making a Lego Ninja Star. Okay, to start, we're going to be taking two 4x12s and one 4x6. You're just going to connect them like this by leaving a 1x4 space on each side. Then you're going to take the 1x4s and fill up those spaces with them. Just like that. Okay, and now once you have something like this, you're almost done with this blade. So now you're going to actually set this aside. Now we're going to start on this blade. You're just going to basically build it, except connect all the pieces to a 4x6 upside down like this. Like that, as you can see. Then we're going to take the 2x4s, fill up the spaces, just like on the other blade. Okay, now you're going to take these two pieces, you're going to flip them like this, and connect them to where everything's even. And you're going to hit that with your hand, just to tighten all the joints, and all the cracks and stuff. So, alright. Now, we're going to start putting on these. So you're going to take one here, just place it like that. I like to mix up the colors to make it look cooler, so I just do this. There you go. And you just start doing that, and do it on the other side. Just like this. So now this is the basic shape of your Ninja Star, and now you're going to start just adding these 2x4s, connecting them, and the whole point of these is to actually just strengthen this blade and all these other blades to not fall off, because they're going to feel some impact. And yes, so we're going to speed this up and put all the 2x4s on the blades. Alright, so this is the complete Ninja Star. I have been able to get up to about 150 feet throwing this. This thing's really cool because it's built out of simple Legos and can go extremely far. You'll be surprised. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell, and like this video.